Are you guys ready for a really good lesson? Okay, lesson 70. I'm on page 294. Advanced abstract equations. Now, we've done abstract equations before. We've done advanced abstract equations before. So consider these advanced. I don't know, advanced squared. That's what I'm going to make mine. This is what's cute about these. They're very similar to what we've done where, I'm looking at example 70.1, we're going to get an alphabet soup and we're going to be told which one to solve for. In this case, we want to solve for B because B is best. And this is how the equation looks. Did you notice that Jane wrote the title of our lesson? She got me set up, so I'm pretty excited about that. Okay, so here's what they're giving us to start with. X equals P, and then there's a big brackety piece of business, 1 over A plus M over B. Okay, so that's what we have to deal with. Now, what's really cute, if you look, I really want you to look at the lesson in the book on page 294, because, here, Jane, I'm going to move this over. It's really cute. You know how usually there's like a big chunk of text and a bunch of like blah, 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 blah. Here are all the instructions and words for what you do. Look what John wrote here. Sometimes it is necessary to use the distributive property as the first step in solving a fractional equation. Done. One sentence and done. Off to the equations. Or the examples, rather. So, super cute that it's so simple. And as you can see, that's what we're looking at here. We just have a set of parentheses and we have a letter that we need to distribute. Just the only trick is remember that that's over 1. Ba-boom, ba-boom. So now we have X equals P, and I'm going to simplify that to P over A, plus PM over a B. Now, optional here, you could start moving things around to get, because of course our goal is to get little Mr. B chilling by himself on the left, typically. He can be on the right, but we want him by himself. But before we start chasing down Mr. B, let us get rid of our denominator. So here I'm going to do some steps over here. They're harder to do on notebook paper. It's easier to do these on the board. The first step is going to be to distribute. The second step is going to be eliminate denoms. And you know what? I'm just going to use some shorthand because I don't want you guys to hurt your hands writing so much on a lovely Thursday. And so that's where we are now. And then the third step will be solve for desired variable. Okay, so that's where we're headed. Again, we've distributed, ka-ching, ka-ching, so let's just eliminate our denominators. Our greatest common multiple is A times B. So we multiply every term by A times B. I'm going to do parentheses today. I taught my tutoring student today about how parentheses mean multiplication, and she also learned how to distribute, so I'm super pumped that we're doing it as well here. So this is an x over 1, so we'll kill the a's there, and we'll kill the b's there, and we'll have abx equals bp, do you guys remember that gas station? Plus amp. I'm going to put them in alphabetical order. Jane, did I do that right? My vision is kind of funny right there. Stop me if you see any mistakes.
Okay.
XAB equals BP equals AMP. Okay, great. So now we've eliminated the denominator, so we're up to step 3. Solve for the desired variable. We want B's. I see a B there, and I see a B there. So I am going to, and this is dealer's choice, but I'm following the way John did it in the book. But if you see another logical way, that's fine. I'm going to send this dude over here, and then I'll have all the B's on the left. He is B-less, so he's good to stay over there. So subtracting, I get ABX minus BP equals AMP. I factor out the B's, so then I have B AX minus P, yeah, equals AMP. And then the last step, Rachel, what are we doing? Oh, dividing by AX minus P. You're right. I just felt like asking Rachel a question. Rachel, I'm grieving the fact that you don't have the markers today either. I hope you're bringing markers from home because like it really hurts me to think of your notes as just being plain color. So I'm sorry about that. Okay, good to go. Boom, boom. And our final answer is B equals amp over ax minus pi. We could actually say that one. Simple, easy, good to go. Okay, so let me give you example. That was 70.1. So here's example 70.2. You can find it in your book along with the answers. It's on my page 294. I'll write the problem here and then you guys can go ahead and work on the board to solve. We are solving for C and the problem is XP equals, I'm going to get a little crowded. Give yourself plenty of room. B over 1 plus C plus A over P. Jane, check and make sure I wrote that right. We're solving for C. XP equals M times the quantity B over 1 plus C plus A over P. Mm-hmm. Okay? Ready, guys? Go for it. Good luck. You'll be listening to this probably on Thursday, so have a great weekend, and I will talk to you on Tuesday. Bye.